Hey guys, so quick answer for you. If you're curious if the Vivo V40 got wireless charging, and the answer is no, it doesn't have wireless charging. The V30, also V20 didn't have it, but let us look here. For example, X100 Pro or X Fold 3 Pro, look at it. It got wireless charging, and also right here, same, got wireless charging, but Vivo V40 doesn't have it. So I just want to make this like quick video for you for like Vivo V40 that it just doesn't have wireless charging. Like, what do you actually think that you need to know? So hope this video helped you at least a little bit to get more information about Vivo V40 if it has wireless charging, and no, it doesn't have it. So just be aware of it. And I can see right here that you see the battery charge. Even when I come here and write charging, yeah,